Hey, it's Joshua here, and I want to do another video as a follow-up to one I just recently did. It has to do with the announcement that FHFA, who is the government entity that oversees Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, also known as conventional loans, and what they're doing, which is honestly, to me, it's just a bunch of BS, and it's just a way to make more money. But they're going to do it under the ruse or disguise of saying that we're making these changes to make housing more affordable for more borrower demographics that we typically haven't reached. I'm going to go over it really quick with you. It's BS. It's just a way, in my opinion, for them to make a whole lot more money and try to do it while looking like the good guy at the same time. So let me just jump into it. So here's the heat grid. So this is the changes coming, one of many changes that are coming. And what I want to show you is that all that red is negative. So what's happening here is when you see red, it means that this borrower here, for example, with a 759 credit score, putting 15% down right in the heart here, that's the biggest hit, is going to pay 0.75% higher cost for their rate because it's considered a higher risk. And so they're basically going to fund this with the idea that we're going to take our key demographic, which I would see right in here, that 720 to 750 credit score, putting 10 to or 5 to 20% down. They're going to get penalized. And the idea is, but yes, we're going to make it more affordable for borrowers with more credit challenge and less down payment. So, people that can't afford to get in their homes as much. That's the idea. But you guys don't fall for this, because here's the fact of the matter. As far as I know, they haven't made any changes in their underwriting requirement guidelines that makes it likely that a borrower putting down 3% and less than a 640 credit score from being able to get an automated approval to begin with. Not to mention that this improvement is just an improvement on the hits that they already have. So the fact of the matter is, as I see it, borrowers that are down in this category here, they're probably still going to go FHA. FHA is probably still going to be the better loan option for them and lower payment because of the cost of the mortgage insurance and the hit to the rates that this still does have. This is just the improvement from what it was before, but it's improving an already big hit. So I don't really see that they're going to take all this money they're going to start raking in from these people here and really dishing out to these people, because they're probably still not going to either qualify for a conventional loan because they didn't change the requirements on that, just the cost on it. And they're probably, even if they did qualify, would probably be better suited by a different program. Now, here we do see a little bit of a reprieve. I do think borrowers that are in that 720 and higher credit score, putting 3% down, this here, yes, these people will see a benefit. But again, it's a small percentage compared to here. But that's not all. So while this all looks good, maybe you buy into this and you think, yeah, these will actually help these people. They also added a new overlay, a new hit to it, which erodes some of this. So yeah, again, in the past, debt ratio didn't have an impact. Now, I agree that higher debt ratios is a higher risk. So I'm not against them actually factoring this in, but I want you to take note is, again, that 759 credit score borrower putting 15% down, not only are they paying 0.75 more because of this change, now because if their debt ratio is over 40%, they're going to pay another 0.375. So you're looking at almost 1.125% higher rate for a large percentage of people who would otherwise be using conventional here. And that consumer who got the benefit because of we saw the green above, part of that benefit is also being taken away and applied to this new risk category. So that's just my thoughts. You can agree or disagree. Put your comments down below. I think, again, it's just a reason or a way for Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to make a whole lot more money while being able to advertise it as being some type of good Samaritan type thing. So if you think this is a bunch of BS, you might write your congressman and say, hey, what is going on with this? Because I really do not think this is actually going to open up a huge window for people who are being underserved, because those people are already going to be served by a different program through FHA. So that's my thoughts. Put your comments down below. Naysayers as well. Love to hear your thoughts on it. Till next time, have a great day.